Peptides in skincare. What are they and why are they important? Or what is peptide serum and why should you use it? Hello and welcome to Dr. Haror's Wellness. Today we are uncovering one of the most buzzworthy ingredients in the skincare world, peptides. If you have heard of peptide serums but aren't quite sure what they are or why they are beneficial, then you are in the right place. I'll guide you through everything you need to know about peptide serums, from how they work to the amazing benefits they offer for your skin. So let's get started. Understanding peptide serum. So what is a peptide serum? Peptide serums are powerful concentrated formulas that contain peptides, small chains of amino acids that are naturally found in our skin. Think of peptides as messengers that communicate with your skin cells, encouraging them to produce more collagen, elastin, and other essential proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. Unlike other ingredients, peptides are incredibly small and specific, which allows them to penetrate deep into the skin, working at a cellular level to boost skin health. Now, let's discuss the benefits of adding a peptide serum to your skincare routine. Peptides can help address several skin concerns, from reducing fine lines and wrinkles to strengthening your skin barrier. They can also reduce inflammation and promote skin elasticity, giving you a more youthful appearance. There are different types of peptides, and each serves a unique purpose. Signal peptides stimulate collagen and elastin production, firming the skin. Carrier peptides help deliver key ingredients to the right areas, enhancing overall skin function. Neuropeptides work to relax facial muscles, minimizing the appearance of expression lines, similar to how neuromodulators work, but in a gentler, non-invasive way. Whether you are looking to combat wrinkles or firm up your lax skin or simply maintain a healthy glow, peptides can be an excellent addition to your regimen. Choosing the right peptide serum can make all the difference in your skincare routine. Look for serums that contain a blend of peptides along with other hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin. These ingredients help lock in moisture and protect your skin barrier, leaving your skin smooth and plump. Also consider the type of peptides in the serum. Signal peptides and carrier peptides have been shown to provide the most anti-aging benefits, and copper peptides are especially popular for their ability to boost collagen production. Remember to align the serum with your specific skin concerns. For example, if your goal is plumper, smoother skin, choose a serum with signaling peptides and additional hydration support. So, who should be using a peptide serum? If you are already using an antioxidant, a retinoid, and a sunscreen, a peptide serum is a great way to enhance your anti-aging routine. While peptides provide fantastic benefits, they typically play an additive role, complementing other ingredients to maximize the results. For preventive skincare. The longer you use them, the more you will notice firmer, brighter skin with fewer signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. If you have sensitive skin and can't tolerate more aggressive ingredients like retinoids, peptides offer a gentler alternative that still stimulates collagen production but without irritation. In short, whether you are looking to slow down the aging process or just want to keep your skin healthy and radiant, peptides are a wonderful option. So to wrap it up, peptides are a fantastic addition to any skincare routine, whether you are looking to reduce wrinkles, improve skin texture, or boost hydration. If you are interested in adding a peptide serum to your regimen, feel free to contact us at Dr. Haror's Wellness. We'd be happy to help you choose the right product for your unique skin needs. Thank you for watching.